I'm Jules Shepard, and I'm here to show you how to make homemade pumpkin butter. Pumpkin butter is a wonderful spread, and it's also a great baking ingredient. It's low in calories and fat-free, so feel free to put a little extra on. We're going to get started by starting with the actual pumpkin. This is a pie pumpkin or a sugar pumpkin. You want to get a pumpkin that is about 2 to 3 pounds in size. Cut it in half, scoop out the strings and the seeds, quarter it, and put it into your slow cooker. Cook for 3 to 4 hours or until it's fork tender. It should look a little like this. It's soft and you can stick a fork in it easily, and it will flake away from the outside of the rind. You then take a spoon and scoop the cooked meat of the pumpkin away from the rind. Using a food processor or inversion blender, puree the pumpkin. After processing, it will look a lot like this, smooth and creamy, just like a regular pumpkin puree. After processing, you should wind up with about 1 pound of pumpkin puree. To that, you want to add 1/4 cup of apple cider, 4 tablespoons pure maple syrup, 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice, and 1/4 teaspoon of fine grained salt. Stir those ingredients in your slow cooker and return the lid to the slow cooker to continue to cook and let the spices settle in. If your pumpkin butter is too thin, continue to cook with the lid off. If it's too thick, feel free to add a little extra apple cider. When you get it to the consistency that you like, let it cool and put it in jars and store in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. I've just shown you how to make homemade pumpkin butter. Hope you get to try it soon.